Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning, Miss Nadim.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I am very well, thank you. Okay, before we start, I want to choose Zoya to lead this prayer. Okay, Zoya, please.
So before we start our lesson today, let's pray together.
A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasula. Rabbi sidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin. Okay, thank you, Zoya. Before that, I want to check your attendance list. So, if I call your name, please raise your hand and say present. Okay. The first is Adiba. Okay, good. Amira, Takia, Asfa, Asifah Nawal, Astila, Askia, and the last is Aika. Yeah, okay. Before we continue again, please, we want to sing a national song. Garuda Pancasila, akulah pendukungmu, patriot proklamasi, sedia berkorban untukmu. Pancasila dasar negara, rakyat adil makmur sentosa, pribadi bangsaku. Ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju. Ayo maju, maju. Okay, thank you. Please sit down again. Okay, thank you. Before that, I want to give you a rules of the class. Yeah, the first is active. Yeah, you have to active in this class. For example, if I ask question, you have to answer the question, and then active in your group. Yeah. The second is keep spirit. Okay, the third is responsible. I want to ask you about how did you remember the last material? About recontext. What is recontext?
Recontext adalah
menceritakan
masa lalu.
Tell about the past tense. Nah. Have you had breakfast?
Yeah.
Sudah sarapan tadi? Iya. Tidak ada yang belum sarapan ya? Biar apa? Semangat dan tidak ngantuk ya, tidak lazy. Okay. The last study, the students are able to identify the social function, generic structure, and language feature of procedure text. Ya, okay. Before that, let's move your body. Ya, kita mau ice breaking dulu. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes, good. Banana dance. Banana, 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 banana. 1, 2, 3. Pil banana, pil banana, banana, cut banana.
Eat
Okay, good.
banana, eat banana.
Shake,
Banana,
shake,
banana.
wang, boom, banana, boom, banana. Okay, thank you for all. Now, let's see the video. What is the steps? Tadi pertama ngapain dulu? Memasukkan apa? Gula. Add the sugar and then tea, waternya, kemudian milk, ice, kemudian di shake. What is shake? Kalau shake kayak gini ya, stir all the ingredients and then the ice milk tea is ready. Okay, this is about berarti kalau ada bahan-bahannya, kemudian ada cara-caranya. Berarti kita mau mempelajari tentang apa ini? What the procedure text? It's about the step by step to make the ice or maybe fried rice and then rujak ya, rujak in English ya nanti ya. Oke. Procedure text. What is procedure text? Today I will explain about the definition and then the generic structure, social function and language feature. The first is, please read. Who want to read this? Yeah, okay, Yasmin. Okay, a text that explain. What is explain? Okay, menjelaskan how to make or use. Iya, something, suatu step by step. Berarti harus ada step-stepnya ya. Ini bertujuan untuk apa ini? Biar apa? Biar tahu urutannya ya. Biar nanti hasilnya juga memuaskan sesuai apa yang kita inginkan. Oke, next. Read please. Siapa yang mau baca? Oke, Uti Soya. Oke, to describe. Ya, to describe how to something. To menjelaskan explain tadi. Mendeskripsikan sesuatu secara completely, secara komplit atau lengkap ya. Through a sequence of steps ya, melalui beberapa tahapan ya, aturannya. Oke, this is the social function. Oke, next, this is the example food and drink recipe ya. Di situ ada burger ya, soto, mie ayam, chicken noodle, dalgona coffee, and the last is banana juice. And this is the example of operation manual ya. Besides we make something, make food or drink, we have to know about how to operate something ya. For example, how to use computer, how to iron the clothes, and how to operate washing machine. Okay, this is the generic structure. How many generic structure are there? How many?
Overall.
3. The first is goal. The second is any material, and the last is step. Goal. Goal di sini itu tentang apa? Judulnya ya, how to make something. Pokoknya how to operate. Itu namanya goal. And the second is material. Ya, material consists of ingredients or tools. Good. And then and the last is step ya. Step ada beberapa langkah ya. There are many step. We have to use about the conjunction. Ya. First, good. And then second, third, boleh third ya, boleh third. And the last ya, and the others. And then next. Atau for the last, we can say finally. Good ya. There are 3 generic structure at procedure text. Okay, do you understand with this step? Okay, good. The language features ya. Language feature in Indonesia is tata kebahasaan. Bahasanya itu dalam teks procedure itu apa saja ya. The first is imperative sentence. Ya, for example, first prepare all the ingredients. Prepare. menyiapkan. And then put 2½ tablespoon. Put, taruhlah. Tadi menyiapkan, taruhlah. And then brew with enough water. Brew, rebus. Kalau rebus ya boleh rebus, boil ya, same with boil. And then add lagi. Itu imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? Kalimat apa itu imperatif? Tadi kan suruh ini menyiapkan, menambahkan kalimat perintah. Good. Imperative sentence is in Indonesia is kalimat perintah ya. Kalimat yang bisa kita gunakan untuk melengkapi the step ya, langkah-langkahnya. Okay, this is the imperative sentence. And the second is temporal conjunction. Ya, tadi sudah bisa menggunakan first, second, third, next, or finally. Ya, boleh finally tidak digunakan, boleh tidak? Boleh. Kemudian, apakah harus first, second, third, fourth, fifth? Itu tidak perlu. Boleh pakai next and then boleh. Ya, ini the temporal conjunction. Okay, this is for any some of the vocabulary that we can use to imperative sentence ya, yang bisa kita gunakan untuk membuat kalimat perintah ya. Ada cut tadi ya, sudah hafal ya, potong, kemudian slice. Biasanya slice ini untuk apa? Daging boleh, peel, kupas ya, mengupas, chop and the others ya. That's all the vocabulary that have you remember ya, diingat-ingat, karena ini nanti bisa digunakan untuk banyak sekali resep-resep yang lain. Oke, any question so far? Ada pertanyaan? No? Do you understand? Ya, tadi yang pertama itu tentang apa? Definition, and then imperatif itu masuknya ke language feature-nya. Good, and then ada goal itu generic structure, kemudian vocabulary-nya atau social function-nya juga ya. Kalau tidak ada pertanyaan, I will give you some groups ya. Grup ini sudah Ustazah bagikan kemarin berdasarkan based on your di Aku Pintar ya. Ya berdasarkan kemarin hasil dari gaya belajar kalian menjawab pertanyaan tentang Aku Pintarnya itu ada tiga gaya belajar ya. The first is visual, auditory, sama kinesthetic. Nah, discuss with your group to analyze paragraph or procedure text and present in front of the class. Kalau yang visual, jadi nanti Ustaz akan memberikan video ya, video. Kemudian untuk yang auditory pastinya diberikan audio, berarti nanti mendengarkan, listening. And then the last is kinesthetic. I will give you a picture ya, picture of the procedure text. Okay, are you ready with your group? Yes. This picture. Oke, for the first, please watch the video first ya. Silakan dilihat dulu. Kemudian yang audio silakan didengarkan dulu. Kalau untuk yang kinestetik boleh dibaca dulu. Finish. Oke, good. Ya, sudah selesai semuanya. We will present about your discussion ya. The first is full team. Ya, please come forward full team and bring your paper. The other group, please see. The other group, please see the presentation.
Pegang aja. Salam kan, Us?
Ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We will present about our discussion about procedure text. Before the present, I will introduce our team. The first is me, Trias, and Syafira, Askia, Astila, and Adiba. The question
The question in first group.
The first, what did you see in the video? What
What
langsung
do you
jawab
see
atau
in the
gimana?
video?
What did you see in the video? What do you need to practice the recipe? How many steps to make recipe? What is procedure text?
Answer.
How to make rujak buah, cucumber, papaya, pineapple, apple, pear, watermelon. 3, 5 steps. 4. The video explain how to make rujak buah.
Next.
Next, analyze the generic structure of the text. Goalnya, how to make rujak buah. Material, cucumber, papaya, pineapple, apple, pear, watermelon.
Please loudly. Loudly please. Yang keras.
Yes. Step 1. Peel the fruit and cut. 2. Grind all the material of sauce. 3. And add some water to mix them all. 4. Arrange the fruits and put the sauce in the bowl. 5. Finally, rujak buah is ready to serve. Thank you.
Oke, thank you.
Okay, thank you for your attention, guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Give applause, please. Okay, the next is Sweet Team. Asfa and others and friends. Yeah, for the first team, please attention the presentation. Yeah. Oke, sambil didiskusikan, sambil mendengarkan ya. Grup yang pertama silakan bisa mendengarkan dulu, sudah selesai. Oke, bisa dimulai.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We will present discussion. Before that, let me introduce my group members. My name is Asfa. This is Agri, Raida, Nawal, Nada, and the last Hasna. Questions? What is the text about? This is how to make pancake.
Good.
How many steps to make the recipe? There are 8 steps to be taken. Do you know how to make it? Yes, I do. Analyze the generic structure of the text. Goal or title, how to make pancake. Material is ingredients. And step is step by step.
Okay, who want to read the generic structure-nya?
Okay. Number 1, goal or title is how to make pancake. Material is ingredients. 1 is 1 cup all-purpose flour and egg, 2 teaspoons baking powder, a half teaspoon salt, unsalted butter or vegetable oil, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons sugar. For toppings, use maple syrup, honey, chocolate syrup, or jam. And the last step, this is
The other friend, please. Who wants to read the generic structure? Ya, bisa bergantian dengan yang lain.
Step 1. Take a large bowl and mix flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Make sure the ingredients are perfectly mixed. 2. Pour in milk, beaten egg, and oil. Mix all the ingredients until smooth. 3. Heat a frying pan with medium heat. 4. Add some butter or vegetable oil. 5. Scoop the pancakes batter by icing a ladle. 6. Cook until it is brown on the both sides. Put it in a plate. 7. Count till the pancake butter run out. Just remember to add more butter or vegetable oil. 8. When all the pancakes are cooked, you can add some topping. I myself prefer cooked chocolate syrup at the topping.
Okay, any question? No. Okay, please close the presentation.
Okay, guys, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Give applause, please. Okay, the last, just read the, just read the generic structure. Ya, ini aja. Ya. Langsung the generic structure-nya ya. Ya. Oke, start.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce our team. First, me, Naisa, and Aika, Zoya, Yasmin, Husna, Takia. We will present about our
Present
about our discussion.
Okay, good.
How to make avocado juice? Materialsnya, ingredients 2 avocados, ice cube, 2 spoonful of sugar. Toolsnya blender and glasses.
Glasses.
And then the steps: first, peel the avocados, then put them into the blender and add some ice cubes. After that, switch on the blender. Wait until the avocados and ice cube dissolve.
Then switch off the blender and put 2 spoonfuls of sugar into the blender. Then switch on again. Blend it around 15 seconds. Finally, pour into the glass.
Please close the
Oh
presentation.
guys, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you so much for all the students who present the discussion. I will evaluate about your presentation. The first team is please read and mention about the first is question and then for the answer. Tadi kan cuma pertanyaan dulu semuanya, baru jawabannya. Ini Uti Askian jawab pertanyaan yang mana seperti itu ya. Jadi the first is the first question and then the first answer ya. Kemudian untuk yang kedua tadi kita di sini kan untuk membuat kalian tuh pede di depan ya. Jadi bisa untuk membagi semuanya gitu ya, nggak apa-apa. Nanti next time bisa diulangi yang lebih baik lagi. Untuk yang ketiga ya, tadi belum menyebutkan the goal-nya mana, kemudian material mana, sama yang tadi hanya menyebutkan ini judulnya how to gitu ya. Iya, oke, nggak apa-apa. Oke, and then this is the next. I wanna give you a question. Ya ini tadi sudah. I want to give you a question in workbook. Please scan the barcode. This is individual activity. Sudah semuanya? Sudah, oke. Ada yang 100? Betul semuanya ya? Betul semuanya. Itu di situ berdasarkan imperative sentence ya. Mencocokkan gambar dengan imperative sentence-nya. Oke, that's about procedure text. Ya, kita sudah belajar procedure text. Ada yang mau ditanyakan? Tidak? Oke, sudah. Kalau tidak ada, simpan dulu HP-nya. Untuk pertemuan kali ini, kita sudah banyak sekali pembelajaran hari ini ya. Tadi sudah procedure text. Kemudian ada apa saja ya? Untuk generic structure-nya gitu ya. Kita menyimpulkan untuk hari ini kita sudah belajar apa saja coba?
Procedure text.
Procedure text about the definition-nya ya. Definisi. Terus apa lagi? Language feature-nya, social function, and then generic structure-nya ya. Kita sudah bisa menyimpulkan dan bisa menerapkannya nanti di pertemuan yang akan datang. Kemudian we will reflection ya about this meeting. Apakah materi yang didiskusikan sudah cukup jelas? Tadi jelas ya, bagaimana cara membuatnya, bagaimana kita bisa menggunakan kalimat perintahnya gitu ya. Kemudian bagaimana pendapatmu tentang materi ini? Tadi materinya apakah just so biasa-biasa saja? Seru ya, dan bisa kalian gunakan nantinya ya. Adakah tahapan yang sulit kalian pahami? Tadi nggak ada, tapi udah paham semuanya ya. Masya Allah, keren sekali. Oke, for the reflection, berarti kita sudah bisa menerapkannya ya. Bisa, oh ya materinya gampang lah ya, nanti bisa kita lanjutkan. Ini kan baru pengenalan ya, baru memperkenalkan tentang procedure text. Next time we will write the procedure text and practice ya. Ya akan datang kita akan melanjutkan bagaimana cara menulis, kemudian cara membuatnya dan dikirimkan melalui video ya. Siap ya untuk kelanjutannya nanti? Jangan itu dulu, aduh nanti bikin ini, aduh nggak bisa, jangan seperti itu. Sekarang banyak sekali contoh-contoh yang ada di Google, YouTube, banyak sekali ya. Ya kalian bisa menerapkan, tapi kalau misalnya kalian mau mengumpulkannya, jangan ambil videonya dengan video orang lain ya, videonya sendiri. Nanti suaranya sendiri ganti. Sekarang sudah canggih ya, jangan seperti itu. Oke, any question? Before tidak ada pertanyaan? Tidak ada. Oke, the next material we will continue about the procedure text again, and I will ya nanti untuk menjelaskan yang selanjutnya. Kemudian yang sudah kita pelajari hari ini, itu hanya berpesan keep spirit ya, based on the rules of the study, keep spirit to no lazy and then responsible. Dan juga ini bahasa Inggris ya. Bahasa Inggris kan berarti kalimat atau apa namanya kosakata yang mungkin kalian bahasa dunia ya, dan belum diterapkan di kehidupan sehari-hari. Maka kalian harus sering-seringlah untuk mencari vocabulary ya, kosakata dalam bahasa Inggris itu lebih banyak biar lebih biar lebih banyak kosakatanya. Tadi kan sudah banyak ya, ada yang cut. Oh, aku tadi pertama tuh nggak tahu loh tentang cut itu. Apalagi? Ya, peel, steer, apa? Chop, chop, ya, chop apa chop? Cincang ya, boil. Tadi boil juga ada persamaan yang lain, apa namanya? Brew ya, brew. Ya, yang brew itu juga. Itu biar kalian lebih memahami dan memperbanyak kosakatanya. Ya. Any question before we close this meeting? No. Finish? Okay, I think enough for today. Let's say hamdalah and doa kafaratul together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Oke, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.